How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy.
Where do you study?
I study at university.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
What is your father's job?
He is a teacher.
What is your mother's job?
She is a housewife.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
How was your day?
My day was good.